Hi guys, good morning. I'm Luigi from 𝗟𝗘𝗦𝗡𝗙𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗡, and welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday. It is like travel school, but in bite-sized chunks. Packing cubes are an essential travel product. They can turn your pile of free-roaming clothes into an organized system and keep them separate from the rest of your gear in your bag. However, there are good packing cubes and there are great packing cubes. So this is today's tip. Look for these 5 key packing cube features. 1. Transparency. Transparency is everything. Because if you can't see what's inside your packing cubes, you're going to be opening and closing all of them just to find what you're looking for. And that's frustrating. So look for cubes with see-through tops, preferably a holy mesh. And mesh is great because it also has the benefit of breathability, allowing air to circulate between your clothes to air them out. 2. Shape. Specifically, rectangular shaped packing cubes are the best because they will fit the corners of your bag better than curved ones, giving you more usable storage space. Remember, curves cut capacity. Okay. 3. Durability. Choose packing cubes made out of a Ripstop Fabric, which is easily identified by the square pattern. It's great because if a rip does form, the fabric will stop it from spreading, allowing you to still use your cube to its full capabilities. 4. Size. Size variation is an easy way to remember what cube has what. They typically come in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. However, these sizes are all relative to the companies that produce them. So one company's medium can be another one's large. So before you buy any, I recommend cross-referencing the measurements of your bag with the packing cubes to ensure a good fit. And finally, 5. Color. Cubes of different colors are another easy way to identify the contents. For example, you may keep all your socks and underwear in a white cube or all your shirts in a black cube. However, the only caveat to this is that cubes usually come sold in sets of one color. So the most affordable way to get this benefit is to mix and match with a travel buddy or find cubes that are sold individually. Okay, now you know how to get the most out of packing cubes while traveling. And if you're looking to buy a set, I have links to my favorites in the description of this video. Okay, so that was today's Travel Tip Tuesday's tip, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the subscribe button now, and you will get a new travel tip every Tuesday that'll help you pack less, carry less, and experience more on your trips. I'm Luigi from 𝗟𝗘𝗦𝗡𝗙𝗧𝗜𝗢𝗡. Happy trails.